So you might be in a situation where for some reason those two-factor authentication texts that you're supposed to be getting aren't actually sending through. So maybe you're inside of an application and you're supposed to be getting these particular two-factor authentication texts like, hey, type in the code we just sent you, but they're not sending. Number one, you want to double check your signal that you have inside of your device. Sometimes you might not actually have the proper signal inside of your phone that you need to, and that can probably be one of the main problems you might end up running into. So go through, you just want to double check that your particular, application is fine, that your, particular, signal is fine. That can very well be the number one issue you might run into. Now, after doing that, the next thing you might want to try doing is to toggle on and off airplane mode. So go inside of your settings or whatever panel you want to, try to toggle on airplane mode, then toggle it off, and try, submitting the same thing again. Sometimes that might be just one of those things you might have to do, and that is just another one of those things that can easily end up fixing the problem for you as well. Now, you might also want to just see and double check that you inputted the right number. Sometimes you may have inputted the wrong number by accident, and that can also kind of cause some problems. So make sure you put in the right phone number for your particular two-factor authentication, and that can be another thing. You might also want to just go through and try restarting your phone. So hold down the buttons you normally would to restart your device, slide the power off, give it a few seconds, power back on, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. Because like I said, for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you, and that might be all you're going to have to do there. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.